Hello friends, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School. Today, let's have a short intro on the real-time practical courses we offer at SQL School. Completely practical, completely real-time, and all training sessions would be full of real-time errors, troubleshooting, concept-wise FAQs, project solutions, and more importantly, technical FAQs pertaining to the projects. Certification guidance, latest certification prototypes, latest certification contents and updates from Microsoft with resume support and one-to-one mock interviews. In this particular short class, let's understand the courses that we have at SQL School pertaining to Azure. First, we have Azure SQL Developer course, completely practical and real world. First, we have SQL Developer course. Then comes Database Administration course. We have Azure Data Engineering, Azure Analytics with Power BI and Big Data, Azure Business Intelligence, BI, we have Azure SSIS and Azure SSAS, and Azure Cosmos Database. Further, we have Azure Certification exclusive training classes, latest certifications like PL300, DP203, so on. Once again, the sessions would be completely into practice based and we operate 24/7 to address your clarifications pertaining to these courses. You may be able to download the complete courses brochure from our website with every course and its detailed course lengthy curriculum. You may opt for one box initially to start with and slowly upgrade to the next box as per your resume plan. For example, initially box 1 SQL Server Basics, Database Basics, SQL Server Transact SQL Concepts that lasts for 3 weeks. 3 weeks classes, Monday to Friday, every day 1 hour, completely practical class. And from there you may opt for Power BI and then to data engineering. Step by step you may do plan upgrades, just the difference part. And at the end of your course we have a nice project, a meaningful end-to-end real-world project to shape up our resume in a better way. We look forward for your registrations to attend a free demo class and let's interact. Let's understand more about the program. Thank you once again. Have a nice time.